Hi everyone, it's John Cruz, Worldwide Auctioneers. We just got done driving this Viper. And most of us view this, the 98 GTS-R, as perhaps the most collectible of the Vipers. Just the representation of the second American car to ever win Le Mans. This is an incredible machine. Because there are only a few of these cars produced, 100 of them, this is number 2. But what really makes this car awesome is when you're behind the wheel and you're driving this car. It's blisteringly fast. If you need to learn anything more about it, please reach out and let us know, and we'll look forward to talking to you.